Well guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ryan and today I'm going to tell you guys the worst skincare method I've experienced. Since after YouTube became super big, doing skincare became so much easier than before. There are a lot of videos about skincare and they are easy and also they are usually right. And I think if you've ever watched a video about glowy skin, like glowy, uneven, clean skin videos, if you've ever watched the kind of videos, then you notice that they are talking about exfoliation in common. But in my opinion, exfoliation shouldn't be the first thing to do to have a glowy, even skin. I mean, unless you're a skincare expert already. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about what I first do to have a glowy skin and tell you guys how I properly exfoliate my skin. I started sweating. Before starting this video, I wanna give you guys a quick explanation of HA and BHA. HA and BHA are the most popular chemical exfoliants, and to make it simple, HA melts dead skin cells outside of your skin and BHA melts skin flakes inside your pores. So technically, HA is used to make a glowy, twinkly skin, and you can use BHA for your acne and blackheads. And I think applying HA and BHA is good for your skin. The benefit of exfoliating your skin is that they are going to help your skin turn over itself, which means basically they are going to get rid of dead skin cells. And considering that dead skin cells cause clogged pores and uneven skin, if you exfoliate your skin, then you can also heal your acne and make your skin even. But still, I believe that exfoliation shouldn't be your first step to have a glowy skin. Just think about it. If you feel like your skin is making too much dead skin cells, then what do you think is the reason? Well, there must be tons of reasons, but I think there are two the most important reasons. And the first reason is that your skin is not able to properly get rid of dead skin cells on its own. In that case, you can use exfoliators to get rid of dead skin cells, to make your skin soft and help your skin get rid of dead skin cells. And secondly, your skin is not properly moisturized. Then what would happen if you exfoliate your skin when it really needs more moisturizers? Just think about it. If you feel like your skin is flaky, uneven, and you feel like there are too much dead skin cells on your skin, but the real reason is that your skin was just dry. But still, you might want to have a glowy skin, so you just exfoliated your skin, then your skin would look glowy and nice. But the truth is that your skin barrier is seriously splintered and your skin would feel damaged, because exfoliation should happen only when there are too much dead skin cells, but you just get rid of all the skin barrier, like literally. So I can just say that you just harmed your skin. Then what your skin would do now? Your skin is going to make more dead skin cells because it needs to protect itself from exfoliation. Then you're going to exfoliate your skin more and more, and your skin is going to produce more dead skin cells, like as much as you can't handle them unless you exfoliate your skin every day. And by then you will realize that your skin already lost the power to turn over itself and became super sensitized. Typical vicious circle. I know that, trust me, I've suffered from the cycle and it was so hard to get out of that hell. I know exfoliating skin is the easiest way to have a glowy skin, but in our deep mind we all know that it is not like exfoliation shouldn't be your first choice for your skin. Just think about it. If you have a baby and if your baby's skin gets flaky, then are you going to exfoliate your baby's skin? Well, I don't think so, because you want to treat your baby's skin as carefully as you can. I know our skin is different with the baby's skin, but still one thing you're missing now is that you should take care of your skin ACOSC. I'm not saying that you need to overly moisturize your skin, but if you feel like you have too much dead skin cells on your skin, then the first thing you need to think about is that your skin is not properly hydrated and moisturized, and the health of your skin is becoming bad. So if you feel like your skin is flaky and producing too much dead skin cells while you are not 100% hydrating and moisturizing your skin, then what you really need is not exfoliator, but moisturizers and hydrators. And my personal recommendations are these people Beplain chamomile toner, this Innisfree blueberry balancing lotion, and this Beplain chamomile lotion, as well as sunjang barrier cream. And if you have dry type skin, then I think you can also try out dokdo cream from Roundlab. They are all gently formulated and I love them. Since Seoul is kind of getting humid and hot now, I stopped using dokdo cream, but if you have dry type skin, then you can definitely try it out. And if you want to safely exfoliate your skin, then I think you can apply HA and BHA once a week, like alternately. Like if you're gonna put HA on your skin today, then apply BHA tomorrow or day after tomorrow or whatever. Just don't use them at the same time just to make it safe. And for exfoliators, my personal recommendations are this COSRX HA Whitehead Power Liquid and this BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. Both are from COSRX. I really love to use them. These are not that irritating, and in my case, it's enough to take care of my bad skin cells with these. One thing you should know is that I apply these exfoliator liquids only on my T-zone because I just don't need to exfoliate my skin except for my T-zone that much. So I take care of the rest part of my skin with daily exfoliating toners like COSRX HA BHA Vitamin C Daily Toner and Sun By Me Miracle Toner. They both are so gentle, and using them every day wasn't that harsh for my skin, I think. I am using them every now and then, and I think you can definitely try them out. Just don't forget to sufficiently hydrate and moisturize your skin after peeling off your skin. And a sunscreen also. So that's all, and I hope you guys are not surprised by the recommendations in this video because I've been talking about those products in my channel in my previous videos. I genuinely love all the products mentioned in this video, and I think you guys might love them too. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and click subscribe button. And 안녕! It's hard for me to say